I'm thrilled to welcome Dr. Regina Dolgoarshinnykh as the next director of the Actuarial Science program. Regina brings to SPS years of experience as a statistician with a focus on the urgent issue of infectious diseases and epidemics. Regina is a longtime member of the Columbia University community, joining the university in 2003 as an assistant professor in the Department of Statistics. Dr. Dolgoarshinnykh holds a PhD in statistics from the University of Chicago and a Bachelor of Arts in Mathematical and Actuarial Science from Central Connecticut State University. She's also a member of the American Statistical Association and the Institute of Mathematical Statistics.
I'm excited about joining the Actuarial Science program. My intention is to make sure our curriculum stays current. The strength of the program has historically been the professional development of our students, and I plan to continue providing our students with the best career support.
Please join me in welcoming Dr. Dolgoarshinnykh as the next director of the Actuarial Science program.